大家好，我是 Eddie，欢迎来到 ChineseEddieG. Hi guys, this is Eddie. Welcome to my channel. Today's lesson, we're going to study a grammar point from HSK Level 4 textbook. Let's get started. 我们开始吧。Today's grammar point is 大概。大概。大概 means approximately or about. It's usually used when people are not very clear or not sure about the accuracy of time or quantity. People also use this word 大概 when they try to say there is a big possibility something will happen or they want to speculate things. And as for the nature of this word, it could be an adverb or an adjective. Now let's take a look at the few sentence examples. Sentence number 1. 第一句，他8岁就开始上台演出，到现在大概唱了60多年了。他对这门艺术的喜爱从来没有改变过。He started to go on stage to perform since he was 8. Until now, he has sung for approximately over 60 years. His love towards this art has never changed. 他8岁就开始上台演出，到现在大概唱了60多年了。他对这门艺术的喜爱从来没有改变过。Now let's break down the sentence. 他8岁 when he was 8. 就 is an emphasis word. It wants to emphasize how young he started to go on stage to perform. That's why, the sentence uses 就 emphasis word. 开始 start. 上台 go on the stage. 台 means stage. 演出 to perform. 到现在 until now. 大概 approximately. 唱 means to sing. 唱了 that's present perfect tense has sung. 60多年 over 60 years. 多 means exceed or over. 60多年。他对这门艺术，对 means towards. 这门 means this. Don't worry about 门. 门 is just a measure word for art. We can say 一门艺术 one art. 一门艺术 But literally 门 means a door, right? 艺术 means art. 喜爱 love. So when we treat this part together, 他对这门艺术的喜爱 his love towards this art. So this is the whole subject of this short sentence, right? 从来 never 没有 don't 改变 change 没有改变过 means has never changed. 第二句 Sentence number 2. 你的这个关于举办传统文化节活动的计划，我想校长大概会同意。This plan of yours about hosting the activity of traditional cultural festival, I think the principal will probably agree or approve. 你的这个关于举办传统文化节活动的计划，我想校长大概会同意。Let's break down the sentence. 你的 your. And actually, I suggest you guys go to the end of the first sentence. 计划, right? So the part in the middle is just to give details about this plan. So the whole thing is about 你的计划。你的计划 means your plan. But your plan of what? So in the middle, this part explains. 这个 means this. 关于 about. 举办 host. 传统 traditional 文化 culture 节 festival 活动 activity 你的这个关于举办传统文化节活动的计划。Okay, move on. 我想 I think 校长 headmaster or principal of a school 大概 probably So instead of translated to approximately, here it means there is a big possibility. 大概 means probably, possibly. 会同意 会 means will agree. 同意 means approve somebody's idea or simply agree with someone. 会同意 Now let's move on to the third sentence. 第三句经过这段时间的学习他的汉语水平提高了不少，不但可以听懂一些较短的句子，还可以进行简单的交流。现在即使不用翻译，也能理解大概的意思了。After studying for this period of time, his Chinese level has improved a lot. Not only can he understand a few short sentences, but he can also convey simple communications. And now, even without translation, he can also understand the abstract meaning. 经过这段时间的学习，他的汉语水平提高了不少，不但可以听懂一些较短的句子，还可以进行简单的交流。现在，即使不用翻译，也能理解大概的意思了。Let's break down the sentence. 经过 after 这段时间 this period of time 学习 study 他的 his 汉语水平 Chinese level 提高 improve不少 means a lot because 不 means no, not 少 means little. Not little, that means a lot. It's just a way to say 很多. So you can also say 他的汉语水平提高了很多. It's the same. 不但 not only. 可以 means can. 听懂 means understand. After listening to somebody, you can understand. That means 听懂 because 听 means to listen. 懂 means to understand. 听懂一些 means a few or some. 较短的 means comparatively short. 短 means short. 较 here means comparatively. 句子 sentence 还可以 but also. The sentence structure here is 不但什么什么还可以什么什么 not only but also. 进行 means conduct or carry or convey. 简单的 simple. 交流 communication. 现在 now. 即使 even. 不用 without using. Because 不用 means don't use, right? 即使不用 even without using. 翻译 translate, translation. 也能 also can. 理解 understand or comprehend. 大概的 The proper translation of 大概的 here should be abstract, like abstract idea. 大概 here is an adjective. 意思 meaning. 大概的意思 abstract meaning. 好，现在我们来看练一练。Let's take a look at our practice of today. 我们有3个对话。We have 3 conversations. 第一个对话 Conversation 1. 师傅，我去火车站，大概需要多久 or 大概 需要多长时间 ？Taxi driver, I want to go to the train station. How long approximately will it take? 现在不堵车，估计20分钟就能到。Now there is no traffic jam, so approximately 20 minutes we will be there. One thing I want to explain about the first two characters, 师傅. 师傅 That's how you address a taxi driver or a Didi driver in China. By the way, Didi is like the Uber or Lyft in America. So when you want to address a taxi driver in a polite way, you can say 师傅, 师傅. And usually 师傅, you use it to refer to someone who is older than you. But I guess the rule is not that strict. I mean, at least in this situation, if you talk to a taxi driver or a bus driver, yeah, you can just call, people in service industry, 师傅, but mainly in taxi industry. Sometimes you can also use 师傅 to address a stranger on the street when you want to ask for direction and you see a person who looks senior or at least a little older than you, you can politely address them as 师傅. Okay, it's difficult to find a literal translation to, for this 师傅 phrase, but you know when you should use it now after I tell you. 第二个对话 Conversation 2. 请问附近有银行吗？有一个交通银行，大概走路10分钟就能到。May I please ask if there is a bank nearby? There is a bank of communications, and approximately it'll take 10 minutes to walk there. 第三个对话 Conversation 3. 读书应该有选择，有些书只要快速阅读，就能理解大概的意思；有些书却需要多花些时间来仔细阅读。When we read, we should choose the correct way. Well, I guess it wants to say the correct way. 应该有选择 choose, but it doesn't say choose what. But based on the context, it means choose the correct way to read it. 有些书只要快速阅读就能懂大概的意思。For some books, you just need to skim reading and you will know the abstract meaning. But for some books, it'll take more time to scan reading. 仔细阅读 means to scan. I think this sentence wants to teach us different ways to read books. It's about skim and scan. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's lesson. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I shall see you guys very soon in the next video. 好了，今天我们的课就上到这里，我们下次再见，拜拜。